Welcome. In today's tutorial, we'll explore how to change who can add you to Instagram group chats using your PC. With the recent updates, Instagram has made it easier to manage your privacy settings, ensuring you have control over your messaging experience. Let's dive into the steps. First, open Instagram on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you haven't done this before, simply navigate to the Instagram website and enter your credentials. Once you're in, you'll see your feed along with various options on the left side of the screen. Next, look for the More icon located in the left side menu. This icon is typically represented by 3 horizontal lines or dots. Clicking on it will open a drop-down menu with several options. From there, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust various account settings. Now, navigate to Message and Story Replies. This section allows you to control how people interact with you through messages and stories. Once you're in the message settings, click on Message Controls. Here, you'll find a variety of options that let you customize your messaging preferences. Now, focus on the section labeled Who can add you to group chats. This is where you can make your changes. You'll typically see options like Everyone, People you follow, or No one. Choose the option that best fits your comfort level regarding who can add you to group conversations. After making your selection, be sure to save any changes if prompted. This step is crucial as it ensures that your new settings are applied correctly. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily manage who has the ability to add you to group chats on Instagram from your PC. Enjoy a more tailored messaging experience and connect with only those you want in your digital space. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials on navigating social media platforms effectively.